Hi guys, ITS service. We have the tablet, hisense, charging port problem, missing, and we have missing trays. Okay guys, I'll post a video after I'm done with that. Okay guys, this is after the cleaning. The second tray is missing. The wire from here because you guys can't see the trace, and then it's time to put a new charging port. And I think here's something missing too. I'm gonna find if I can put one. Hey guys, this is the tablet, ready to use. I tested, all good. And this is not necessarily the one I told you about. You guys can see it, all good. I'm gonna test it. Give me 1 second. For you like that. Charging port, nice, and it's good. Okay, again, test it again. Good job. Now I'm gonna put the battery and try it in front of you guys. Give me 1 second. Do I have something I can put my phone? I should, to be honest with you, I should buy something, man, for recording, because I've been recording a lot every day. Let me see if you guys can see my reading. Yep. Let's put the battery. Put the tablet back. Okay, 1, 2. Good. Put the LCD back. Okay, I'm gonna take the screen. Okay, come on, my screen. Battery, one, two, three. Oh, sorry. Battery is dead, but it's charging. It's taking 0.21. I'm gonna leave it for like 10 minutes maybe, and then I will post another video. Thank you guys for watching. This is my tablet. Now it's normally. I just left it for like 10 minutes.